In my opinion, the real magic wand move on this house was the way we grew it. So this used to be where the house ended. By just pushing it out this much, that's how we were able to create that big bonus room. And then as well, over here, bringing that hallway 5 feet out. Like there used to be a fireplace sitting in this corner. By bringing that hallway out, that's how we made those bedrooms bigger. That's how we have room for en-suites. And that's how we connected the Casita. One of my favorite things that we did at this house was delete this wall that was here. It had like this little built-in bar, but it made the great room a small family room. It made the kitchen closed off with another small island. Opening it up gave us room to expand the kitchen. Also, we pushed this wall out and made room for a nice dining space that could be in the kitchen and gave us room to make this really big, grand kitchen. The other thing is, by attaching all the rooms and expanding them the way we did, we really didn't need a 5th bedroom. So we took the room next door, and where it was a closet, we put our cabinets, opened it up, and made this really cool walk-in pantry. So in the original floor plan, this was the hallway. So right here, this is where the house ended, which made this just a dining room. But by us bringing in a structural engineer, increasing the size of the house and pushing it out like we did, this makes a really nice bonus room. Okay, when the hallway came to here, this room was this small. By pushing it out, we create a lot bigger bedroom, but also this used to be where the Jack and Jill bathroom was, but now we're able to create its own ensuite bathroom, have this be the bathroom, and then that's the walk-in closet. By growing the house out into the courtyard, right here's where that old fireplace sat. We're able to take what was the closet in the Casita and make it be the entrance, pushing through, attaching it to the house. And so now we have another ensuite that is also got an outdoor entrance. The truth of the matter is, the person who buys the house wants a great master bedroom. So this used to be the doorway that went through. It made for small spaces. We closed it off, came out here, created a nice archway, and that also opened up this bathroom to where it could be grand and beautiful. Let me show you.